هذا نهر. هذه بحيرة.
Hi, it's a pleasure to see you again. Today we're going to continue with the Arabic alphabet letters. We'll discuss the 5th and 6th letters in the Arabic alphabet. So the 5th letter in Arabic is
جيم.
Let's hear it again.
جيم.
That's the name of this letter, but its sound in speech is.
ج.
Let's hear it again.
ج.
This Arabic letter, Jim, is pronounced by touching the middle part of your tongue against the hard palate, which is the bony anterior portion of the roof of your mouth. It sounds similar to, but not exactly the same as the English letter J in words such as jug, jack, jam, and jelly. Try to make the sound solid and remember to maintain soft contact between your tongue and the upper palate to produce the correct sound. The representation of the Arabic letter Jim in the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, varies based on regional pronunciation. In Egypt, the Arabic letter Jim is indeed realized as a sound similar to the sound of the English letter G in words like good. In the Levantine region, which includes countries like Syria, Lebanon, Jordan and Palestine, it is represented as somehow similar to the sound of the English letter J in jam or like the sound that the letter S makes in the last syllable of the word pleasure. Let's see how to draw this letter. As we notice, there are 4 different shapes for this letter depending on its position in a word. Initial. This is how we draw this letter when it comes at the beginning of a word. As we see in this Arabic word,
جمل.
which means a camel in English. Medial. This is how we draw this letter when it comes in the middle of a word. Let's notice that in the following Arabic word,
شجرة.
which means a tree in English. Final. This is how we draw this letter when it appears at the end of a word where the preceding letter connects to it. This is exactly appears in the following Arabic word,
ثلج.
which means the snow in English. Separated. This is how we draw this letter when it appears at the end of a word where the preceding letter can't connect to it. As in this Arabic word,
دجاج.
which means hens or chickens in English. Let's move on to our next letter for today, which is the 6th Arabic letter in the Arabic alphabet order.
حاء.
Let's hear it again.
حاء.
That's the name of this letter, but its sound in speech is
حاء.
or. Let's hear it again.
حاء.
The majority of non-native speakers pronounce this Arabic letter as the English letter H, but the 2 letters are different from each other. This Arabic letter is somewhat similar to, but not the same as, the English letter H. It is pronounced by relaxing your throat muscles and creating a narrow passageway for air to flow through. Place your tongue flat against the back of your bottom teeth, exhale gently, and allow the air to pass through the narrow opening, creating friction in your throat. It's a soft, whispered voice, characterized as a hoarse sound. Remember, it comes from the middle part of the throat and is different from the ha sound. Let's see how to draw this letter. We draw this Arabic letter exactly like the previous Arabic letter Jim, but without any dots. Initial. As in this Arabic word,
حرب
which means a war in English. Medial. Let's see this medial form in the following Arabic word,
بحر
which means a sea in English. Final. Here we have this Arabic letter linked to the preceding letter. And here we see this Arabic word which is a good example about that,
يسبح
which means the verb to swim in English. Isolated. Here, it's separated at the end of the word, and the preceding letter can't be linked to it. As in this example,
نجاح
which means success in English. That's all for today. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again, I hope you have a wonderful time learning Arabic. See you soon. Or as we say it in Arabic,
إلى اللقاء